Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening up my July Stitch Fix box. So real quick, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service for men, women, and children. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out a style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will help you to choose 5 items to put into your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, whatever you want. So when you fill out your profile, you can tell them the things that you want to have sent to you and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least 1 item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items in your box, you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply that $20 styling fee, which usually makes for a really good deal. I no longer have that $20 styling fee for each box because a few years ago, Stitch Fix offered me the Style Pass, and I did get to recently renew my Style Pass. So basically, the Style Pass is where you pay $49 each year to have unlimited fixes sent to you throughout the year. And the good thing is that you get to apply that $49 to anything that you keep in your next fix. Stitch Fix does a fix preview, and so a couple of weeks before your box is supposed to be shipped to you, you should get an email with about 10 items for you to look at and to decide if you want to keep anything and have that put into your box. And so for this box, I did choose 3 of the items that are in here, and then my stylist chose 2 more items to put with my fix. So let's check it out. Right on top is the prepaid mailer envelope. This envelope is used to send back anything that you don't want, or if you need to make exchanges, you can put those items in this bag and send it back to Stitch Fix. I love that shipping is free both ways. You're also going to see a white envelope, and inside this envelope is your price invoice sheet. And this is fix number 69 for me, so I've been doing this for a while. You're also going to see your Oh Hello card, and this is a note from your stylist, but it also gives you styling suggestions for the items that are in your box. And I'm going to read my note real quick. Hello, Jennifer. Thrilled to dive into summer with you in this fix. Embracing the vibrant and bright theme you love for summer, I've selected some casual pieces that I hope capture the essence of the season for you. While I couldn't find a red top for the 4th of July this time, I did include some lovely pieces that I think you'll enjoy. The dark green Daniel Rainn top is a fantastic choice. It's great for those relaxed summer days when you're not teaching. I've also selected a navy 41 Hawthorn top with a twist neck knit and a navy paper moon tank, both of which can be effortlessly styled with capris or shorts for a summer ensemble. I hope these selections bring a splash of summer joy into your wardrobe. Stacy. So Stacy is a new stylist for me. I've had Kara, I've had Tara, and now I have Stacy. So I'm not sure what happened to Tara, but let's see how she did. And so here's a look at my bundle, and I should have a piece of jewelry somewhere inside here. So let's get into it. So right on top is by 41 Hawthorn, the Rylee twist neck knit top in navy, and this was an item that she chose for me. And so it's this navy tank top with this interesting twist neck kind of detail on the side here. It does have like kind of a heathered look with the navy and the black, which I don't mind. It is very stretchy and soft. It's just a basic tank top with a cute little detail at the top here. I like that. The next item is an item that I chose for my fix preview, and it's by 41 Hawthorn, the Midnight Scallop Detail Dress in green. And this was marked down, so I thought that was a good deal. And so it's this really pretty green dress. It has a lot of cute details to it. It has a little scallop sleeve. It does have like a little V here. It does have like the elastic at the waist, which is something that I like. It is a polyester dress. The print is really pretty with, you know, you've got yellow, you've got white, you've got some beige, you've got some blue in there. And the back has this little detail right here. I'll be interested to see how this dress looks on me. But I think it's really cute. So the next item is the earrings by Market and Spruce. So Jessamy Filigree drop earrings in silver. And I did choose these for my fix preview. And so here's what those look like. It's just a silver drop earring that's kind of sparkly and shiny. And I like drop earrings. This one's not too big. It's kind of a medium size. And I think it will pair nicely with a lot of different outfits. So those are really cute. The next item is by Daniel Rainn, the Lazza button pleat detail knit top in dark green. And so here's what this top looks like. It's a cute little tank top with button detail going down the front. I love the bright, vibrant orange flowers. They've got some orange and yellow in there, a little bit of red. I don't know that I would call this color dark green, but I do like the color. It's stretchy and soft. It has some cute crochet detail here at the top. Some pleats going down the middle. So I think that's just a really nice top for summer. And the last item is the second item that she put into my fix, and it's by Paper Moon, the Nina tank top in navy. And here is that tank top. I do love the colors, the navy, the purple, the yellow. I do think it is very summery. It does have like a little tie right here at the top. The straps look bra friendly, which is nice. It is kind of just a straight around tank top. Looks a little bit short. And I'm wondering if it's rayon. And if it's rayon, I might have to size up because rayon shrinks. I never have luck with rayon, so I always have to size up to make sure that when it does shrink a little bit, that it's not too short afterwards. So let me check the fabric real quick. All right, so I was right. It's 100% rayon. It says machine wash cold, only non-chlorine bleach, tumble dry low, and cool iron. And I never dry my rayon just because it does shrink. So we shall see how this works out for me. I do really like the colors. I think it's pretty, so we'll see. All right, guys, I'm gonna get ready to do the try on. I do have on jean capris, so I will try on all the tops with the capris, and then I'll try on the dress last. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the first tank top, and this is the one by Daniel Rainn that they said was in the dark green. I don't know that I would call this dark green, but I really do love the colors in this tank top. What color would you call this green? Would you call it sage? I'm not sure, but I really do love the colors in the tank top. I love the really bright pops of orange and red and yellow in the floral print. I do like the little button detail with the pleats going down the middle. I think the little crochet detail on the top here is really nice. It does have like a little scoop neck here. The material is very soft and stretchy. It does come down long enough for me in the front. It scoops up a little bit on the side and comes down a touch longer in the back. So I think this is a really cute top that could pair nicely with my jean capris like I have on today, or a pair of shorts. This top would probably look really nice with a pair of white denim shorts. So you guys tell me what you think. I'm gonna try on the next top. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with the second tank top, and this one is by 41 Hawthorn. It's the navy blue one, but it has like some black heathering throughout it. It is bra friendly, and it's pretty basic other than this little twist neck detail. It's got like a little twist right here. Not sure if you guys can see that. It is soft, it is stretchy. It comes down just kind of in the front here, and it's about the same length in the back. The back of this tank top is very plain. So everything is right here with this little twist. So what do you guys think about this little twist neck detail top? I think it's cute. What would you pair it with? Give me some ideas of how you would pair this. Would you go with the jean denim capris like I have, or would you do something else? You guys let me know what you think. I'll be right back with the next item. All right, guys, back with the third tank top, and this one is by Paper Moon. This is the one that's 100% rayon. I do absolutely love these colors. It's navy, it's purple, it's yellow, it's got some teals in here. I think the colors are beautiful. It does have the little tie here, which I usually tie these, but let's see what it looks like untied. So if you untie it, I don't like the way it flops over like that, so I usually keep this tied. Yeah, I think I prefer that tied. I think it's really pretty. The only issue I have is with it being 100% rayon, it's probably going to shrink in the length. And so I'm wondering if I could try to size up to an extra large, if that would help. So I feel like this tank has kind of like a soft square neckline right here, and the same thing for the back there. It is really cute. So what would you guys do with this tank top? Would you size up to get the extra length, or would you leave it the way it is? I don't want it to shrink this way because I don't like my tank tops real short. I don't know. I'm kind of torn on what to do with this. I like it and I will keep it. I just got to figure out if I need to size up or not. So you guys tell me what you think. All right, I'm going to try on the dress and the earrings and then we'll be done. Be right back. All right, guys, I'm back with this dress by 41 Hawthorn, and I really like the colors of it. It has a nice little V here. I like the crochet detail that's going right here. I like the little scallop sleeve detail. It does have the elastic right here. Has a very pretty floral print with, you know, yellow and white and kind of beige colors in there. There's a little blue in the background. It is a shorter dress and I am 5'10", so it might seem a little bit shorter on me than it would somebody else, but I don't think it's too short. What do you guys think? So I just think this dress is really cute for summer. I think it would be great for wearing to church. You guys tell me what you think. And then the last item are the earrings, and they're just a drop style earring. They're a filigree earring, so they have a lot of sparkle to them. I don't think they're too large. I would say they're about a medium size, which is perfect for me. And I love silver jewelry. I like gold, I like silver, but I just think silver goes with a lot. So I'm gonna get changed. I'll be right back to do a recap and to talk about prices. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about the prices, and I think this was a great fix for me. Let's talk about everything. First off on my list is 41 Hawthorn, the Midnight Scallop Detail Dress in green, and this one is on sale, and it's $53.97. So I thought that was really pretty. I loved all the little scallop details. I love the colors, the little floral print. I love the detail on the back. So overall, I think that's a good price for this dress. Next item is by Rainn, the Lazza button pleat detail knit top in dark green, and this one is $55. And I really love these colors. I think they're great for summer, but I think they'll transition into fall really nicely. I really like the details on this with the buttons and the pleats and then the little crochet detail on the top. I think it's really cute. Next on the list is by Market and Spruce, the Jessamy Filigree drop earring in silver, and these are $29. I think they're cute. I think they're sparkly. I think they'll go well with a lot of different outfits, so those are nice. And $29 I think is a good deal for Stitch Fix jewelry. So the last two items on my list are the items that my stylist put into my box, and the first one is by 41 Hawthorn, the Rylee twist neck knit top in navy, and this one is $45. It's just a basic little tank top, but it did have the really cute little twist detail on the neckline there, so I think it's a cute little tank top, perfect for summer. And then lastly is a top that I need the help with. Paper Moon Nina tank top in navy, and this one is $39. I really love the colors, the print, but with it being 100% rayon, do you think I should size up to an extra large to help with any shrinking in the length? You guys tell me what you think. So the stylist pick subtotal was $221.97. If you buy all the items, you get the 25% discount, which will take off $55.49. That leaves me with an order subtotal of $166.48. Shipping is free. I don't have any credit that I'm working with right now, so my order total, my final total will be $166.48, which I think is a really good deal for the items that I got in this box. I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. That link is good for first-time men or women customers for Stitch Fix. And so basically, if you click on that link, it will give you $25 for your first box, and it will basically waive your styling fee, so you'll be able to get the box sent to you for free. And then once you get your box and you try everything on, you can decide what you like and what you don't like, and then that $25 would go towards anything that you decide to keep. So if you use that link, you get $25, and then I get $25 towards my next fix. It's a win-win for both of us. If you do use that link, I really do appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. If you guys have any questions about Stitch Fix, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.